and gentlemen, I'm always happy to be back here in New Westminster, as are all the All-Star Wrestling superstars. We've got a great night of wrestling lined up for you. So without further ado, let's get things started. Let's bring out our first superstar.
Here comes Gary the King Allen, referee extraordinaire, up in this piece. And the first match of the night, that's right, it's ASW, it's Friday night. You know what? I say to the Canucks. It's time for professional wrestling. Straight up. Of course, to my left we have Jazz.
Mean Eyes Jazz.
Mean Eyes Jazz. And to my left, we have the All-American Canadian Greg Whiteman representing. But at the ring, we have the new Team Japanada. Ow, 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 ow. It's T. Kasaki in the kendo mask. Seth Green, oh, and there's the mist. Straight up. Shades of the Great Muda and everyone in between. The mighty Iton. There's the mighty Iton, and holding the Canadian slash Japanese World War II style flag is the Canadian superstar Seth Knight.
Canadian Rising Sun.
And the Canadian Rising Sun. Jacking the title straight up from Seth Knight is one, the mighty Iton from Singapore. And getting into the ring is one, the great T. Kasaki, holding the other belt.
You shut up, lady! You'd be lucky to get a guy like him!
Oh, passing the heat. It's feeling a bit cold up in here. And his opponent, as you know, is going to be coming out pretty soon, the Volcano. That's you, buddy. It's all you. It's all Iton. And there is the Volcano. Volcano. Oh.
He snubbed it.
Ice cold. Volcano, you're not my fave anymore.
Almost from, like,
Just
from
playing.
Iceland.
Oh, where all the volcanic ash is. That's so apt. Where all the volcanic ash is. And that's the Volcano right there. He is the cause of it.
But who will win?
But who will win?
Gentlemen,
it's a good question.
Our first matchup of the evening features, to my left, from the great land of Japanada, and one half of the All-Star Wrestling Tag Team Champions, being accompanied to the ring by Team Japanada.
That's where they're from.
He is the great Kasaki!
Oh, mean ladies. Very, very mean ladies.
And to my right, hailing from the City of Heroes, ladies and gentlemen, he is the Volcano! This matchup
That was Greg Whiteman booing and hissing the Volcano. The Volcano, I can give you his address afterwards. You can whoop his ass personal.
Come bring it. I got my own tights. I got some kryptonite.
Did he say brass knuckles?
Yeah, he's got some kryptonite apparently. That's for damn sure. Volcano is weak against kryptonite.
Jeff Pence, weapon!
Yeah. Volcano, well known for cheating. Hey, you didn't check T. Kasaki's pants. Look at all the weapons he's got hiding in there. Nunchucks and bazookas. I can't clap with one hand, believe it or not. A little bit too late, though. Headlock. That inside headlock. Tikasaki's just grinding his arm into it. And the Volcano off the ropes. And oh! Didn't move him.
Oh, now he looks like the hurt.
Kasaki does not like Superman, and the Volcano paid with a thumb to the eyes.
Doesn't like the hurricane or the volcano.
Hurricanes and volcanoes are not cool to Kasaki. And another shoulder tackle that neither man went down.
What now?
What now indeed?
Kasaki, little worried.
Oh! Jacked it. Oh, reversed. Oh! Lucky that time, but not lucky this time. Oh, just chucked him out of the ring like he was nothing. Ice cold.
Baseball slide. Baseball slide.
No.
And now the action's going outside the ring. Oh! Double X handle. And just pounding his spinal column. Oh! Just kicked him in the solar plexus. The epiglottis.
You got him, Kasaki! You got him! Right where you want him, baby!
Kasaki! Like Kiku!
He sure did, folks. He sure damn did. And Seth Knight is trying to butter up Kasaki.
That's right!
Kasaki giving a bit of the muscle to the crowd. And Aiton and Seth Lee. Oh! Showboating just got you done kicked. Kasaki not looking pretty no mo. Oh, and here we go. Oh! Damn, son. That is not Matt down there. That's not Matt. I'm telling you right now. Yeah! And that child just might be right. Oh, he's clotheslined him. And here's what's going to happen. Is it a suplex time? Yeah! It's suplex time. And here we go. Snap suplex. And Kasaki has gone down. 1, 2. Oh, Seth Knight just done jacked the title. Seth Knight just done jacked the title. Greed.
Let's go, Kasaki!
Let's go, Kasaki!
And that was a Japanese arm drag. Now you would think that the Volcano would be at a disadvantage because he's got, the mighty Aiton on ringside. He's got the Canadian superstar Seth Knight down on ringside. What's going to happen? No, not this time. Kicked him in the shin, kicked him in the shin, kicked him in the gullet, kicked him in the butt. Just kicked him left, right, and center. Off the ropes. And elbowed him right in the epiglottis. His jugular is done crushed. He is dead. He is the walking dead. And here we go. Oh, and just aggravating the situation. It's like you can't kill him any more than he already is, Kasaki. Stop done choking him. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, he likes it. Well, whether he likes it or not, it's against the rules, Kasaki. Just punching him in the chest. He's like, yeah, okay, I'll follow the rules for the next 2 seconds. Oh, time's up. Snapmare. Oh! Drop kick to the back of the head. That bends you all sorts of ways. But he was nice enough to bend it back into shape. Go for the pin. Oh, no.
That was slow.
And Gary.
That was a 3 count.
And Alan, I will tell you Craig's address after the show as well. You could personally. Those high kicks.
The last clip of this whole video thing will be my address.
It will be at Craig's address, yeah. Oh, don't put your hands on the referee, Kasaki. And while he's doing that, the Volcano's being choked. And did the mighty Aiton just stop it? I think the mighty Aiton just stopped him from Seth Knight from choking him. That is just weird.